Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to solve 5x5 Rubik's cube. So I have two cubes here and I'm going by stickerless version because the color recognition is easy as compared to sticker one. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, let's shuffle it. So yeah, let's get started. So first we have to make center. So it is just like 3x3, like we have to make plus here. The center is like 3x3. So I have one here, here. Okay, here. So we have the plus here. So now to orient the edges to its place, so the formula which you use in 3x3's third layer is like R U R prime U R U 2 R. So yeah, that's the formula. So just the thing to remember is like this part should be directly in it's nearby it, so it should be in the position, so the down part here and the upper part here. So R U R prime U R U 2 R. So it's in the position. And now the another one, so R U R prime U R U 2 R. So similarly here R U R prime U R U 2 R. So similarly we have to do all the centers. So I will show you once again with green color here. So here is one part, R U R prime U R U 2 R R U R prime U R U 2 R U R prime U R U 2 R. Okay, so the last one is below, and if we take it up, so the white color will get shuffled. Okay, it's no problem. So I'll take it down here. So the places the part is in the position and this hasn't gotten shuffled. So same R U R prime U R U 2 R. So white hasn't been shuffled, and the green is also in its correct position. So similarly we have to do all here. So I'll speed up the video. Okay, so all the centers have been done, so now complete. So now we have to pair edges, and there are formula in for edges. So I have the manual here, and I'm just going with the photo on the screen, as you can see here. So you can screenshot the photo for the manual if you forget it. So let's start pairing the edges. So here's white and red, and the center part is here. So I'm taking this side with the opposite color, so when we go here it matches, and we have to find the red and yellow. The same process is like 4x4, but you have 3 years left except of 2. So yeah, let's go, let's find. Okay, so it's here. So right up, so the two colors of two yellow, red and yellow have been merged, and red and white have been merged, so nothing has been messed up. So yeah, similarly now, like we have red and white here, and I saw one edge piece out of here. So where is it? Red. Okay, red and white is here. So we'll okay, yeah. So it's forgot where it is. So we'll go with red and orange here. So the part is red and orange one. So yeah, the two colors are here, and now we need to find red and blue centerpiece or edge piece, whatever you want. So I'll go with the centerpiece here. So here's red and blue. So here's the edge piece and the centerpiece. Okay, so here's the centerpiece. So yeah. Right. So here's the two merged pieces, and we have solved orange and white edge piece. So I'm gonna be fast forwarding the video, and I'll come back when any parity comes here. Okay, so we are here. So here's the twisted part. So if we go here, one part is twisted, and if we go here, all the sides are merged. So the same case is here. So I'm gonna be going by this formula. So yeah, you can refer to the photo. So from here, like it is up 180 degrees, and again one time up 180 degrees front, up, so yeah, we got the edge solved here, and now it's time for this one. So 180 degrees here, 180 degrees back, 180 degrees here, 110 down, 180 degrees, 110 down, 180 degrees, one time up, 180 degrees, front 180 degree, one time up, 180 degree, one time up, back 180 degree, and so yeah, all the edges. Okay, so we have here one. So the edge has been solved, and same process with this one. Okay, so I have solved all the edges, and now we have to solve it just like 3x3 Rubik's cube. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the 5 by 5 has been solved. So yeah, thanks for watching and please subscribe.